Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome to Tech Education BD. Today I talk about two different ways to speed up your PC or laptop for Windows 10 or later. There are many ways to speed up your PC. If your PC is slow, then you can try it. I confirm that it is really helpful for you. Let's see how can you do it. First, you have to go this PC, then right click on local disk. Make sure this is the folder that your Windows is installed. Then click on properties. Now click on disk clean up. Then mark all. Now click on clean up system files. Then you can mark all. In this time I don't mark all because I talk about another way to speed up your PC or laptop, so I don't need to mark all for now. In this time I skip to mark all, but you can mark all. Click on OK, then click on delete files. Now click on OK. This is the first way to speed up your PC. And now I talk about another way to speed up your PC. It's really most important way to speed up your PC or laptop. First of all, you have to go search bar. If you can't recognize the search bar on your PC or laptop, then you also use the keyboard command. Press the Windows key and press S at a time. You can find the search bar. In the search bar, you write delete temporary files. Click here. Now click on temporary files. Wait for some time. Mark all the boxes without download folder. Be careful. Don't accidentally mark the folder named downloads. If you mark it, files downloaded from the internet will be deleted. Click on remove files. Wait some time. Finally, you can see that all temporary files are deleted. I am 100% sure that your PC now is more than faster than previous. If you have really benefited from watching this video of mine, then don't forget to like the video. Please subscribe the channel and click the bell icon next to it. Thanks for watching.